Ready to make some serious cash without spending a dime or wasting time? Then join me on an exciting adventure as we discover the top 4 ways to generate revenue online with the help of Chat GPT and AI. From crafting compelling sales copy to writing high-quality resumes and cover letters, creating SEO-focused blog posts, and crafting engaging YouTube scripts, we've got you all covered. Get ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT and start earning big bucks today. Hey there, welcome to today's YouTube video where I'll be your guide on this thrilling adventure as we explore the quickest and simplest methods of generating revenue online through the power of ChatGPT and AI. The cherry on top? You won't have to spend a single penny to get started, and it won't take more than a few moments of your precious time. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the action. Let's kick things off with the power of sales copy. Sales copy involves writing persuasive scripts for businesses and professionals to help them sell their products or services. The amazing thing is, they can charge crazy amounts for this skill, from $50 to $150 an hour, or maybe even more than $1,000 on Fiverr. But with ChatGPT, you can create compelling scripts that are almost as good as those provided by mid to senior level professionals. In fact, I'll even share some examples of how you can use ChatGPT to craft scripts that sell watches or any other product or service. Just copy and deliver the script to your client, and if they need any tweaks or revision, ChatGPT can help you quickly make the necessary changes. It's that simple. The other way to make money using ChatGPT is resume and cover letter writing. This is my personal favorite, and we all need tips and tricks on how to improve our cover letters and resumes to earn more money with them. Due to the rise in unemployment rate, the demand for resume and cover letter writing is increasing, and on Fiverr, people are charging a whopping $35 to $106 for these services. But with ChatGPT, you can offer these services for half the price or even less and deliver high-quality resumes and cover letters. Using ChatGPT, you can write the perfect resume and add industry-related keywords to make it stand out to employers and their scanning software. You can complete the task in less than an hour and charge much less than what they're charging on Fiverr. The third best way to make money using ChatGPT is by writing articles or blog posts. While professionals on Upwork can charge up to $100 an hour, with ChatGPT, you can write SEO-focused articles and blog posts with ease. By adding relevant keywords using ChatGPT, your content will be optimized for search engines, making it more valuable for businesses looking to improve their online presence. So whether you're passionate about fashion, travel, or technology, you can turn your ideas into high-quality blog posts and earn a decent income out of it. Now let's end with a bang. The final way to earn cash with ChatGPT is through script writing. This involves crafting scripts for professional videos and broadcast businesses. However, there's currently a huge demand for script writers in the booming YouTube industry. With ChatGPT, you can easily create engaging scripts and infuse them with personality. Simply input your ideas and when needed, type add energy to give your script a boost. This takes your content to the next level, which is perfect for YouTubers who want to impress their audience. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to profits with ChatGPT. And there you have it, guys. 4 fantastic ways to generate revenue online using the power of ChatGPT and AI. From sales copy to resume and cover letter writing, article and blog post writing, as well as script writing for YouTube, there's a little something for everyone to earn a decent income. And best of all, with ChatGPT's help, you won't have to spend a single penny to get started, and it won't take more than a few moments of your precious time. So, what the heck are you waiting for? Dive into the world of ChatGPT and start earning some good green right away. So these were the top ways to make money online using ChatGPT and AI. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.